Hi, Jane.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi.
Go ahead with your question.
Okay, I need to find out. I got a friend that moved from Virginia. His wife left him, and he has 3 small children. And I was wondering if he can get a divorce down here, like going back to Virginia, or he has to go back to Virginia to get a divorce?
Gene.
That's an interesting question. I don't do divorce work, but how long has he been in Georgia, Gene?
Probably about 7 or 8 months.
And there's no action filed in Virginia at all? There's no court case anywhere?
No.
Where are the children located right now?
They're here in Georgia with him.
With him. There's a time period, and I believe it's 6 months. Once he's lived in Georgia for 6 months, he's got children here. I think he could probably commence a divorce action, but that would be a question that would be better answered by a divorce attorney. There are a number of them here in Georgia, in Macon. If you give me a call tomorrow, we'll be glad to refer you to somebody. But Yellow Pages have a lot of divorce attorneys in it. But I think if he's been here that long, he can probably file a divorce here.
And there's, in divorce cases, when you got that diversity that way also, there's sometimes you can get a divorce, but you can't get the property or the child custody sorted out. And once again, this is another example of something. The quicker he goes on and takes care of this, the easier and cheaper it's going to be for everybody involved. If he needs to go on, and if they know they're going to get a divorce, don't let it languish for years and end up having to do something in a hurry. You can't find anybody. He needs to just get through with it. Untended business like that is expensive in the long run.
Thanks for your question.
Opinions expressed on Law Call are those of the participants and do not necessarily reflect the opinions of 13 WMAZ staff or management, nor any legal or judicial entity. The legal information supplied in this broadcast is general information only and is not intended to be legal advice for any given situation. Do not rely on broadcast information without consulting an attorney. Contingent attorney's fees refers only to those fees charged by the attorneys for legal services. Such fees are not permitted in all types of cases. Court costs and other additional expenses of legal action usually must be paid by the client.